And have there been any stories wherein people have taken up, or rather, I'm talking about the end client, right?
Okay.
End clients, not
Hmm.
the consultants, but the end clients. Um, they have taken up something. Anybody in corporates, not the celebrities. I
Hmm.
want to talk about the corporates where they've taken up a consultant, and they've been kind of nurturing them, giving them ideas and transforming them, and they have gone from a junior position to taking responsibilities of the company or something senior, or they have been handling more responsibilities, or they've turned entrepreneurs, right? Could be anything, right?
Could be. Yes.
So have there been cases like this which you can throw light
A
on?
lot. A lot.
Okay.
So most of the um, this leadership profile, not even leadership, working professional who have come to us,
Hmm.
many of them come because they feel stuck, stagnant in their career.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Hmm.
And we have done the entire rework where they did not just get better in their positions and promotions,
Okay.
they started getting a lot of recognition for
Okay.
being, for their visibility, for the branding that
Hmm.
they were able to create. When I say branding, Gopal, branding here does not mean that suddenly they became celebrities or they
Hmm.
created some
Got
brand.
it. Hmm.
It's just that everything about them started getting noticed. Their problem solving skills got better.
Okay.
Their teamwork got better with the people.
Hmm.
When required, they were very easily stepping into leadership roles, which got them the promotions.
Okay.
And I'll tell you a very recent story. So I had one of my student, and she just joined this program, okay, where we started getting into with the training part and guiding on various. Her husband has been eyeing a job for the last 1.5 year,
Okay.
not
Hmm.
able to get through. He got through just because she was doing this and she was going home and discussing what she's
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
learning and how she's progressing.
Hmm.
He got through the job, and that was, she came back to me that you cannot believe what happened. This
Hmm.
was our dream for last
Okay.
1.5 year.
Okay.
So
So what kind of changes and tweaks happened? I mean, in this case, what kind of tweaks? Is it in communication? Is it in
more
the
so
way?
on communication.
Okay.
Okay. um,
So
yes,
communication also, I mean, what kinds?
interviews,
Okay.
how you are
Or how do you
representing yourself.
self during an interview?
Yeah,
Okay.
how you're representing yourself, what style of communication. So there are various styles of communication, Gopal. So
Okay.
we worked on what style of communication is this person, because it was a very senior profile role. You
Okay.
cannot be pleasing people. You need to
Hmm.
come with that authority ki yes, give me the job, I'll get it done.
Okay. Okay.
So people do not get out of that mindset कि वो
Hmm. Hmm.
interview में है तो they feel कि okay, I need to,
You need to
you
get
need
that
to be
job.
approved, I need to
Okay.
get that job.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
You need to be seen as the person you want to be working as. So
Okay.
when I say seen, yes, everything from your appearance to your body language to your communication,
Hmm.
it
Hmm.
needs to give that confidence ki yes, this person will do the job for us. So that is the kind of change I'm talking
So
about.
that couple of hours of interview can change
Oh
people's
yes.
lives.